rented a long reach. This ought to be interesting. Nick's over there in the semi. Gonna load her on up and get on back home. We're about an hour from home, so alrighty. Oh, here comes Nikki. $7:30 on a Monday evening. Ready to head down 76. Are you nervous? You don't know? Huh? What permits?
Permit to drive? What are you talking about?
Oh, really? Just a permit to drive?
Yeah.
Well, let's head down the interstate.
Yeah.
We got places to go. Well, we made it here by the grace of God. The good Lord was watching us today.
Oh, it wasn't that bad.
And you guys remember this place. Oh, what's going on? There we go. Old service truck was the follow car today. And I just realized I don't know how we're gonna get this in here with the mats there, Nick. That's a big freaking problem.
Yeah, I know.
I should probably turn this camera off. Damn it! Just when I thought the day was almost over. Son of a bitch.